Imagine yourself in this 2010 Holden Commodore. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle with a reliable 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, and adjustable tilt steering wheel. Ride in style with the included premium wheels. Tailor the temperature to your preference and your passengers. The anti-lock braking system will help to keep you safe on the road. It's important to be able to trust in the safety components of the vehicle you purchase. Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.